Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and well at your home. So children, this is the second revision lecture of chapter 2nd, class 3, the earth our home. And what you have learned in the previous lecture, that is the revision lecture, we have learned about the shape of our earth, and the second one is the globe, and the third one is the map. Shape of our earth. What is the shape of our earth? It is spherical in shape. It is like an orange, slightly flat at the top and slightly flat at the bottom. And who proved that the earth is round in shape? The Ferdinand Magellan and his crew, that he started his sea journey from Spain, and after 3 years they have reached the same place before they started their journey. उन्होंने अपनी जो सी जर्नी थी स्पेन से स्टार्ट करी थी और उनको 3 years लगे ये पूरा राउंड सेलिंग करने में, और वो उसी जगह पर आ गए जहाँ से उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट किया था. So who proved that? That is the Ferdinand Magellan. And later what we have learned? We have learned about the globe. So what is the globe? Globe is the model of our earth, because our earth is very big. हमारी जो earth है बहुत बड़ी है. It is difficult to see whole earth at a time. और ये बहुत difficult है कि हम पूरी earth को एक ही टाइम पे देख सकें. That's why we need a model. हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ी? मॉडल की. So globe is the model of earth. We can see the correct size, correct location of all the continents, oceans by this globe. We can also see the distribution of land and water by this globe. But a huge globe is difficult to carry. बहुत बड़ा globe को carry करने में difficulty होगी. So we need a map in place of globe. हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ी थी? मैप की. Okay, so that's why we need a map, and the small places can't be shown in a globe. Means जो छोटी छोटी places हैं वो किसमें show नहीं हो पाएगी? Globe. So we can't make a small area on a globe. We can't make a globe of a small area. हम globe नहीं बना सकते छोटा एरिया का. We can use a map. हमें क्या यूज करना है? Map. So what is map? Map is the drawing of the or a part of it, and it is big or small. It is big or it can be big or small. या तो ये बड़े भी हो सकते हैं या ये छोटे भी हो सकते हैं. A huge map that hang on the wall, that is called the wall map. जो hang हो जाते हैं, जो टंग जाते हैं मैप वॉल पर, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? वॉल मैप. और there are many different types of map, like physical map, political map, climatic map, okay, land transport map. So we can use the, you can also draw the map of your neighborhood, and you can also draw the map of your school. स्कूल का भी आप मैप बना सकते हैं. Okay, so this is the map. It is drawn on a flat surface. इसको किस पे बनाया जाता है? Flat surface पे. Then our next topic is the direction of map. There are some features in map that how to study the map. हम map की study कैसे करें? How to study the map. So one of the features is the first is the direction. What is the first feature? That is the direction. By the help of the direction, we can understand about the map. For example, there are 4 major directions. That is at the top, that is the north. At the right side, that is the east. At the bottom, that is the south. And at the west side, at the left side, that is the west. So how many directions are there? there are 4 directions. How many directions? There are 4 major directions. That is north at the top, south at the bottom, right at the right side there is east, and west at the left side. So we can easily understand the map by this direction. In earlier times, sailors used a compass to find out the directions. सेलर क्या यूज करते थे? कंपास का यूज करते थे. किस लिए? डायरेक्शंस के लिए. बिकॉज इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड डायरेक्शन ऑन सी. जो समुद्र में जब वो सेलर्स जो है बोट सेलिंग करते हैं तब क्या होता है? डायरेक्शन पता नहीं पड़ता है. सो दे वर यूज्ड कंपास. सो दिस इज अ कंपास. See, this is the compass. We can find direction using this compass. This is the compass. It has a needle. इसमें needle होती है with always points north. जो इसका point क्या रहता है? north. So हम easily find कर सकते हैं कि अगर north हमें पता पड़ जाएगा, that is the north. So we can easily find the west side, the east and the south. Okay. So in earlier time, the sailor used compass. What? Compass for find out the directions when they were traveling on a sea journey. So that is the compass. It has a needle which always points north. इसकी needle होती है जिसकी point किस पे रहता है? north पे. So if we understand that is the north direction, so we can easily find the other direction, that is the east, west and the south. So this is a compass. So you can find the other direction by the help of this compass. So children, how many directions are there? There are 4 directions, that is north, south, east and west. And what the sailor used in earlier times? Good. They used the compass to find out the directions. And it has a needle in compass. It has a needle which always points north. So if we know the north direction, so we can easily find the other direction. Now our next topic is the oceans and continents. First is oceans. Oceans, how many oceans? There are 5 oceans. And what they are? First is the Pacific Ocean, Antarctic, Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the last one is the Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Now, there are how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. That is, first is the Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. That is the Pacific. Second is the Antarctic. Third is the Arctic. Fourth is Indian, and fifth one is the Atlantic Ocean. So what is ocean? Oceans क्या होता है? What is oceans? Now, a very large bodies of water very large bodies of water are called the oceans. Very large water bodies. See in map page number 15, that is map 2.1. There is blue color in this map. These are the oceans. That is the very large bodies of water. Oceans are the very large body of water. There are many times bigger amount of water than compared to the sea. समुद्र से भी बहुत टाइम ज़्यादा पानी किसमें रहता है? ओशियंस में. Now see this. This is the Pacific Ocean. This blue shade color. This is the Arctic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. See children, this is the Antarctic Ocean. Now, so how many types of oceans are there? There are five oceans. Now, and which one is the biggest? सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? That is the largest ocean is the largest. Pacific is the largest ocean. सबसे बड़ा ocean कौन सा होता है? सबसे largest. And Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. So what do you understand by the term ocean? There are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. And how many types of oceans are? How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. And which one is the largest one? सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? That is the Pacific Ocean. And which one is the smallest one? सबसे छोटा ocean कौन सा है? That is the Arctic Ocean. And Pacific is the largest ocean. And Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And what is oceans? A very large bodies of water. That is called the ocean. A very large bodies of water are called the oceans. So you got it? You got it? What is oceans? A very large bodies of water are called ocean. And the second question, how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. What the name are? The Pacific Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean. अच्छा, अब इसमें सबसे बड़ा large कौन से? The Pacific is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. Okay? Now, then our next topic is the continent. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. How many continents? There are 7 continents. How many continents? There are 7 continents. And what is continent? What is continent? Continent क्या होता है? That is the large area of land. The large area or masses of land. The large area of land are called the continents. So, what is the definition of the continent? The large area of land. जमीन का बहुत बड़ा एरिया को क्या बोला जाता है? Continents. And how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. What they are? They are, first is Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. South America. Europe. And the 6th one is the Australia. And 7th is the Antarctica. Antarctica. Now, what are the 7 continents? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents, that is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Now, which one is the largest? सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? That is the Asia. Asia is the largest continent. सबसे बड़ा Asia. And which one is the smallest? The smallest one is the Australia. Smallest is the Australia. So, continents means what? A large area of land are called continents. What are continents? A large area of land are called continents. A large area, जिसका सबसे बड़ा ज़्यादा एरिया, a large area of land, that is called the continents. And how many continents? There are how many continents? 7 continents. How many? 7 continents. And what they are? They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Now, which one is the largest? सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? Asia. हमारी इंडिया किस में है? India is in Asia. Okay, so the Asia is the largest continent. And which one is the smallest one? सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? See, this is the Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. See children, in book page number 15, these are the very large area of land. Then what they shade are yellow, green, gray color is for Asia, pink color is for Europe. So that is the all continent: Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, South America, North America and Antarctica. And which one is the largest one? That is the Asia. And which one is the smallest one? That is Australia. Clear? Got it? Now our next topic is the horizon. Next topic is horizon. Horizon means what? If we stand on the top of, हम कभी ऐसे खड़े होंगे. If we stand on the top of high building, yes, see this is a building. If we stand on the top of the building, so you can see that the sky and the sea, they meet together. Okay, so if we stand on the top of a sea, we can see the sky and the land or the sea meeting at a distance. See, ऐसा लगता है ना? This is sky. This is the sky. Suppose this is the sky and this is the sea. Okay, so they meet. ऐसा क्या लग रहा है कि ये जो सी है, ये जो सी का वाटर है और ये सब क्या हो रहे हैं? एक हो गए. ये स्काई जो आसमान है और जो सी है, या कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि जो लैंड एरिया भी क्या इसमें मीट हो गया, ये मिल गया इसमें. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द होराइजन. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? होराइजन. एंड व्हेन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स, जब हम इससे दूर चले जाते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्या हो रहे हैं? अलग अलग हो रहे हैं. Okay, so that is called the horizon. See in your book, this is this. If we stand on the top of a high building, we can see the sky. हमें क्या दिखेगा? See, this is the sky and the land or the sea. Yeah, see, this is the sea. They meet. They meeting at, ये क्या कर रहे हैं? मिल रहे हैं. But ऐसा नहीं होता है. But we can see. हमको ऐसा लगता है कि क्या हो रहा है? They can meet. So meeting at a distance. So the place they appear to meet. जो जगह हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये स्काई किस में चला गया है? सी में, या फिर सी कहाँ चली गई है? दोनों एक दूसरे से क्या कर रहे हैं? मिलते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So the place where they appear to meet is called the horizon. इसको जहाँ पर ये ऐसा दिखता है दोनों मिलते हुए, that is called the horizon. And if we move towards the horizon, अगर हम वहाँ से दूर जाएंगे horizon से, so we can see that the sky and the land appear to move further away. और ये एक दूसरे से दूर जा रहे हैं, है ना? So this place is called the horizon. See, this is the land and this is the sky. They were meeting. They appear to meet. हमें कैसा दिख रहा है कि ये जो लैंड है वो किधर से है? दोनों स्काई और जो लैंड है वो क्या हो गए? मीटिंग कर रहे हैं. So the place where they appear to meet, okay, the sky and the land or the sea, that place is called the horizon. And if we move towards this, if we move toward the horizon, the sky and the land appear to further away. फिर वो एक दूसरे से, अगर हम उधर से horizon से दूर जाने लग जाएंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि ये क्या हो गए हैं? अलग अलग. Now coast. So what is the definition of the horizon? That is the place where horizon means the sky and land or sea meet together, the place where they appear to meet is called horizon. Means the sky and the land or the sea meet together, है ना? ऐसा क्या लगता है? वो क्या है? एक सबसे मिल गए. The place, जो place where they appear to meet, जहाँ वो मिलते दिखाई देते हैं, this place is called the horizon. Now the next one is the coast. This is the last one. Coast, C-O-A-S-T. Coast means what? The place where the land and the sea meet is called coast. The place where the land and the sea meet is called the coast. See in the book, page number 16. See this place. This is the coast where the land and the sea meet. This place is called the coast. See in your book, suppose this is the sea and that place is the land. So the place where the sea and the land meet, जहाँ पर ये मिलते हैं, the place where the sea and the land meet, this place is called the coast. उस place को क्या कहते हैं? Coast. What is the definition? The place where the land and the sea meet, this place is called the coast. So what you understood about this chapter 2? First is the shape of the earth, and the second one is the what? Globe. Third one is the map, and fourth one oceans. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. Okay, and which one is the largest? Pacific. And which one is the smallest? Smallest ocean कौन सा है? Arctic Ocean. And then what we have learned about the continent. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. And what are continents? A very large area of land are called continents. And which one is the largest one? कौन सा सबसे बड़ा है? The Asia is the largest one, and the Australia is the smallest one. And then what we have learned? The horizon, the place where the land and the sea and the sun they appear to meet. वो मिलते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. Then it is called the horizon. And what is coast? Coast means the place where the land and the sea meet. जहाँ पर समुद्र और जो जमीन वो मिलते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. That is called the coast. So now quick recap. Life on the earth exists because it has air, water and the right temperature. Life कैसे possible है अर्थ पे? क्योंकि it has right amount of temperature, air and water. Second is the Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. उन्होंने prove किया है कि जो हमारी अर्थ है वो कैसी है? round egg. Third, globe. Globe is the model of the earth. Globe क्या है? That is the model of the earth. Fourth, a map. What is map? A map is the drawing of the earth or a part of it. And the last one, directions. What are the directions? Directions, there are four major type of direction, that is north, south, east and west. And in earlier time the sailor used compass, okay, for knowing the directions. And the last one is there are 5 oceans and the 7 continents. So I hope children you understood the chapter well. So what's your homework? This is your homework, that you have to watch this video 2 times and you have to read your second chapter, that is the earth our home. Okay, till then, bye bye.